Hi, this is Laura with WTI, and as you can tell, I have so much paperwork that I have to shred. You don't just want to throw your paperwork in the garbage, but you want to make sure that you are street smart and use it for a paper shredder. And that's why you have to get this Wolverine paper shredder. Let's check it out. I really love this modern sleek design that this has. This takes up no space in my office at all and is premium quality. Another feature that I like is that this has swivel wheels so that I can move it to whichever part of the house that I'm working in with ease. This is very user friendly. With a touch of a button and green light, you know you're good to go and ready to work. One other feature that I like is that this has a large waistband. You can shred up to 10 papers at a time, and this holds 6 gallons of paper waste. You can also shred CDs and credit cards as well, and this gives your mind peace that knowing that your information is safe. I also like this window that this has, and this is not very loud as well. I'm so impressed with the quality of this paper shredder. It's definitely something that you need to get for your home office, and that's my point of view.